The Fed in the West is ruling the Russell today. Hello, everyone. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. Well, Fed Chair Jerome Powell is speaking today at the Fed's annual meetup in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Powell says the Fed will act as appropriate to sustain the economy, which he says is continuing to perform well. Well, that brought some relief to the market today. In today's trading action in the Russell, to start the session, a healthy number of put players with a ratio of one call for every 2.5 puts. Those puts active out in September. In the traditionals, they are way out of the money at the 1340 and 1345 strikes. More on that in just a moment. On the call side, there are some weeklies expiring next week at the 1550 line. The strata for this week predicts a volatile week possible. Could be ahead for next week with a move of 2.6% up or down. That tells me premiums are really pumped up here. The RVX hit a 21.70 today, which was close to the high of the week. The range on the Russell this week, a high of 1515 and a low of 1462 to start the week. The Russell really has just been weaving around that 1500 line all week. Coming up next, let's do some trader talk. Well, let's get some trader talk now with Paul Foster. Paul, I'm watching those premium prices, and in the near time, they're pretty high here. What do you think's going on?
Okay, the volatilities are higher, obviously, around the Jackson Hole scenario. They're still playing out the bids and offers. They're still looking for buyers on premium. They're still looking for sellers. The tight premiums are reflective of the uncertainty.
We have some puts that are way out of the money expiring out in September. Are those people looking for protection? And talk about that implied vol.
You know, those volatilities around 18, 19 in September, Angie. Yes, they're looking for protection, but they're spreading strike against strike, allocating some risk for the near term, alleviating some risk for the outer term.
Got it. So implied vol higher now, but starts to come down in September. Good to have you here, Paul. Thanks.
Thanks, Angie.
Thank you. That's it for now. I'm Angela Miles. Have a great weekend, everybody.